I'm taping out the 10 by 10 space here in my living room. So I am in love with this. Really just want to make sure that I do not sell out of anything. Hey guys, it's Kay, and we are on the final stretch before my very first market. It is 2 days out, and tonight we are doing a full booth setup. I'm taping out the 10 by 10 space here in my living room so I can lay everything out, test different displays, feel how the booth flows, and just work through all of the details while I still have time to think. I know market day will come with its own chaos and I'll be setting up by myself, so I'm just trying to go in feeling as prepared as I can. I also have to finish packing my inventory, so I'm going to try and do that tonight as well. It has been a really full week and tonight is going to be a long one, but I know that it will pay off on market day, so let's try and put this booth together. So I am in love with this. I feel like it looks so good, nice and simple, but also very elevated. So let's do a little tour. The booth has 3 main tables, 1 large center table and 2 smaller tables on each side. Starting on this side, I have pieces displayed together in this shadow box that we bought in the last video. I wanted these pieces grouped together because they're part of the same family, so shoppers can see the full set at once. The pieces they'll actually buy will be packed right behind them in these holders, so once someone decides, they can just grab what they want and head to checkout. I have samples displayed throughout the entire booth so people can touch, feel, and just try everything on. I also added a statement necklace just to help draw the eye and focus on the table. I've also mixed in a few pieces that aren't on the website yet just to see how they perform in person. I tried to add small details like this vase and plants just to give some texture to really help soften the space and give it more of a boutique feel. These are actually some of my house decor that I'm just repurposing for the booth. Moving on to the center table, I wanted the rings to feel really easy to shop, especially since we are outside, so I set up a try-on station with labeled sizes. so shoppers can test how it fits, then grab their exact size from the packaged pieces and then head straight to checkout. I also added a mirror so people can actually see how everything looks. So this is the main focal point for the entire booth. I have necklaces on one side and earrings on the other. Every piece will be displayed as samples with the packaged pieces lined up directly beside them. So everything is organized so shoppers can easily browse, try things on, and then just pick up exactly what they want. Lighting was really important to me, so there are lights throughout the entire booth. They all have adjustable brightness and temperature, so no matter the weather or if the booth feels kind of dark, the jewelry will still catch the light and shine really nicely. So this table is the checkout station. I will have my iPad, payment methods displayed. I have the card reader. I really just wanted a separate checkout so transactions don't happen over the jewelry. So everything is set up to keep the booth feeling open and easy to move through. I tried to add a small holiday touch with this mini tree and lights. I also made little ornaments from my holders, which I think are so cute. I'm also going to do a raffle of this gift box, and I have a QR code for email sign up. And finally, I also have this big plant. So I'm trying to decide if it's too much. I'm not really sure how it will fare outside under the tent, but I do really like it. So I think I may take it with me and just see how it feels the day of. So that's our little mini tour. I am really happy with everything, so I think the booth is ready for the market. I'm feeling so much better about the booth. I feel like that's exactly what I needed to just make me feel a little bit more confident about going into the market. So I honestly am starting to feel really prepared, and it's literally like 2 o'clock in the morning. So that also gave me a little bit of a boost to just keep pushing to do this inventory. I have been thinking so much about the amount of inventory to bring, and I really just want to make sure that I do not sell out of anything. I really just want to do my best to keep the booth stocked. In one way, I'm like, oh my gosh, wouldn't it be great to sell out? But then also I'm like, this is my first market. I don't want to leave money on the table, and I don't want anybody leaving the booth disappointed. I want to make sure that everybody gets what they want. And this is the first time I've sold in person, and I just don't want to miss an opportunity for people to experience my products. So I know that's really what brings longevity and repeat buyers. Anyways, let me stop chatting so I can finish this inventory so I can get to bed. So tomorrow is market day and it is time to pack up. So last night I put together this little charging station. I have my iPad, my chip card reader, and also these rechargeable lamps. So I think everything should be charged up and ready to go. It's been charging all night and most of the day. So I think I want to try and pack everything into one suitcase and maybe one smaller bag for some of the bulkier items. I have packed a lot of different suitcases before, but this one definitely feels different. So let's see if we can get everything to fit. Everything is packed and I think that we are ready to go. I've actually taken a couple of trips to the car already. I think I will load the rest in the morning. I have everything back in this little corner because I'm trying to put my living room back together. It is a complete disaster behind this camera, but we're gonna get that together right now. The market starts at 10 in the morning and I want to try to be there by 8. My booth needs to be set up by 9:45. I think that will give myself enough time. So I just wanted to take a moment to just kind of check in, see how I'm feeling. So I'm honestly still just trying to wrap my head around the fact that I'm actually doing this. I keep thinking about how I even got here, and it's just one of those moments where I'm excited, nervous, and also just kind of surprised at myself all at the same time. And I've been trying not to put any expectations on tomorrow. I don't have any sales or inventory goals. I just don't want any of that pressure. This is really about going all in on myself and my brand, even when I'm unsure and nervous and when things just feel like a lot. If you've seen the first video that I ever posted, I talked about how I am doing it anyway, and this is exactly what that feels like. So I'm just really excited to see how people interact with the jewelry in person, what people gravitate towards, what resonates with people, what people talk about. That kind of real-time feedback is just something that I don't get online. So I'm just really looking forward to experiencing that. So I think we are ready. So next time I see you, it will be at the market.